Hi, Joseph.
Hey, Buck.
Oh, Falcon hasn't arrived yet?
Nope, must still be in the shed.
Well, he did look a little unwell this morning.
Well, tell me about it. All that bloody sneezing. You got any proper sleep last night?
No, not really, to be honest.
Yeah, me neither. Well, I'll probably have to get someone else to take this train then.
Well, usually when he's ill, it's either me or William who fills in. But he's at the other end today, and I've got this train.
What about Stirling?
Well, maybe. I guess he could. Is something wrong, Joseph?
Now that I think about it, I don't think I've ever actually seen Stirling pull a passenger train. I see you and Falcon do it on a regular basis, but never him. Have you ever seen him pull them?
Oh, no, actually. I haven't. I only ever see him on goods.
You actually know why?
No? I never really thought to ask about it. To be fair, he's never said anything about it either.
Well, then again, he's a pretty old engine. Probably not strong enough for them.
No, of course not. Passenger trains aren't that heavy here, and Stirling certainly isn't weak. Oh, I better be off now. See you later, Joseph. Have a lovely day.
Yeah, you too, mate.
Achoo! 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 Oh, I feel awful! It's all so terrible!
Yes, Falcon, I honestly couldn't tell. How tragic.
Huh. A bit more sympathy would be nice, Stirling.
I was sympathetic, and then you decided to get really annoying. It's not pleasant, but good lord, it won't bloody kill you. A good cleaning your firebox will get it sorted.
Well, how long will that take?
Depends on how much rot you got piled up in there. Probably a lot, knowing you.
Well, anyway, what about my train? If I'm not ready in time, who will take it? Passengers can't afford to be delayed.
Well, the ones who usually do it. William or Buck.
Well, Stirling, I'm afraid today might be an exception to that.
How so, sir?
Well, firstly, let's see how bad it is. Well, driver?
It's an absolute bloody gold mine in here, sir. Probably won't be cleared until the afternoon.
Definitely not what I wanted to hear.
What's the matter, sir?
Well, I would usually call for another engine, but Buck just left, and William's at the other end of the line. He'll take ages to get here.
So, there's absolutely no one to take the train?
Well, there is one other option.
Oh, I see, sir.
I hate to do this to you, Stirling, but do you think you can do it? Just the morning train. I'll ensure Buck takes the return one back.
Well, if there's no one else available... Alright, sir. I'll give it a go.
Oh, thank you, Stirling. I'll let the station master know, and he'll inform the passengers. Good luck.
You don't sound sure at all.
Of course I'm not sure.
Well, see it as an opportunity to gain back some confidence again. Come on, Stirling, you can do it.
Well, okay, alright. I better get going. Of course it's a packed train.
We'll be alright, Stirling. Let's just take it slow today.
Yes, of course. That's one station, and 3 more to go.
3? You mean 2, Stirling? We don't stop at Spirit's Hill.
Oh, yes. Yes, of course. Sorry, I forgot.
You're doing alright, Stirling. It's been a smooth run. Let's keep going.
Oh, is that you, Stirling?
Yes, I know. Quite a sight, I'm sure.
Sorry I can't stop, but you can find another time to explain. Or I'll find out what trouble Falcon has gotten into this time.
Well, that was a pretty good run, I'll say. Well done, Stirling.
Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you.
Hello, Stirling. I heard you did very well today.
Oh, good evening, Mr. Thompson. And yes, I would be lying, Lou, if I said it was a comfortable experience.
Yes, well, I'm still pleased that you pulled through. Some of the station masters spoke to me about it. Seems you're quite a pleasant sight compared to Falcon.
Speaking of which, where is he?
Ah, well, he's at the works. Turns out he needed a much more thorough clean-out than what could be achieved here. Honestly, I've no bloody idea how he does it.
Oh, Falcon. So tomorrow will be another day without him.
I'm afraid so. And that's another reason I came to see you. You see, since you did very well with the passenger train today, would you feel confident doing it again if you had to?
If I had to?
I can't guarantee anything, but it's very likely you'll be needed again to take a passenger train tomorrow. I'll have you on goods trains as always, but there may be another case of us having no choice.
Alright, sir. I understand. I'll make sure I'm prepared.
Thank you, Stirling. I really do appreciate it. Now, get as much rest as possible. Good night.
Good night, sir. Bloody hell, Buck. You alright? What's the matter?
Hi, Stirling. Just a bit... a little bit worn out.
Is that passenger train? Probably the heaviest he's taken in years. Mind you, I'm shocked he didn't stall on the gradient halfway. Tougher lad than he looks. Oh dear. Will he be alright? Oh, he'll be alright after a long rest. But I don't think he'll recover in time for the return train. I see. In that case, sir, could I take the return train? Buck can handle my goods trains when he's feeling better. Oh, if you could, that would be a big help. Very well.
Are you sure about this, Stirling?
Well, not entirely, to be honest. But Buck can't do it right now, and I can. I did it yesterday. I can do it today.
Well, if you believe you can, then let's give it a shot. You alright, Stirling?
Yes, I'm alright. Just ensuring we don't stall here. Wait a minute. That's... Oh, no. No, that's... No, wait, that's how... That's how...
Stirling, you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm fine. I just... Oh no, I can't go on. I can't.
Stirling,
I need...
what's wrong?
No, I'm sorry. I need to stop. I need to stop.
Stop? What do you mean stop? We can't stop here.
I need to stop now.
Stirling?
Oh God, I'm sorry. I can't. I just couldn't. I can't. I can't do it.
Oh, for goodness sake, what is it?
Sorry, William. There's some trouble up the line.
What kind of trouble?
Oh, apparently a passenger train has stopped abruptly at Spirits Hill. Something to do with Stirling. The word's been spread to Haven Bridge and someone's coming to fetch the train.
Stirling!
Hello, Buck.
Are you okay? What's happened?
Oh, I just had a bit of a panic. We should probably get moving now. This train's late enough as it is.
Yeah, right.
Evening, Stirling.
I know you'll say it's not my fault, but still.
It was a difficult situation. There weren't really any other options to go around it. I'm thankful you were still willing to try.
Truthfully, sir, that doesn't really feel like much.
You did the very best you could today, Stirling. That's what matters. Now, please, get some rest.
Thank you, sir. Hello, Falcon.
Stirling, are you all right?
Yes, thank you. I'm much better now. Glad to see you're back from the works.
Oh, never mind that. What's all this I hear about you and my passenger trains?
Oh, hello, Stirling.
Evening, Buck. Did you get the train the rest of the way?
Huh? Oh, yes, I got there safely. We were rather late, though.
Well, not much could have been done at that point. You lot alright?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you, Joseph?
Still bloody hot. Oh, I heard something happened on the main line. Something about you helping Stirling, Buck.
Oh, yeah, You know what, actually, Stirling...
Let me guess. You're curious to know what that was all about?
Well, me and Joseph are wondering about it. Why do we never see you pull passenger trains?
So, you picked up on that as well?
Are you sure you want to share that, Stirling? It doesn't have to be their business.
Is there any point in hiding it now? It was an accident that did it. Just over 100 years ago now, I think. Before that, passenger trains were all I knew. What I was born for. Now, the mere thought of pulling them can scare me. It was an evening run. An express from London. At that point, I was familiar with the route. But nothing prepared me for that night. I was running late, and me and my driver were determined to make up for lost time. We got our authority to proceed after leaving a station, but it turned out there was a mail train coming in the opposite direction, which was also late. Thing is, we were on a single track, and we already passed the closest loops. We saw each other, we whistled, we braked, and I suppose that's the catch of being an engine. You can take far greater hits than any person could. And afterwards, you have to live with them. I couldn't see myself at the head of a passenger train again. How could I? How could I trust myself to be responsible for so many people again? So that's why I now pull goods trains. Wasn't what I was meant for, but it is something I can do, with little to worry about. I like to think I've gotten good at it.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Stirling. I really shouldn't have asked that. I'm really sorry I did.
It's alright, Buck. There's not really much more to say. That's all there really is to it. It's not a pleasant story. That's why I only shared it with Mr. Thompson. Well, obviously our manager had to know. Falcon would know a little later. After much hesitation.
Do you think you'll be able to pull passengers again?
I don't know. Hard to say. I suppose a part of me thought it might have been today. And then onwards, I could do it again. It was all fine yesterday, after all. Perhaps another time.
Well, I suppose it's time to get some sleep. Good night, all.
Good night, Falcon.
Yeah, I think he's right. Yeah, alright, well, I'll better get some sleep for tomorrow. Busy day. Night, Stirling. Night, Joseph.
Good night, Buck. Good night, Buck. You have something to say, Joseph? You didn't have to tell us all that, you know. I mean, you could have just told us it wasn't a pleasant story and left it there. You're right. I could have kept it away from you and Buck. I could have spared both of you. I could have even spared Falcon back then. In fact, for the longest time, I did keep it to myself. Aside from managers and drivers, naturally, I didn't tell a single soul. I suppose, after a while, I just needed to let it out more. It's often harder than it looks, keeping it within. I'm not angry with you for doing the same as I did, Joseph. I'm just worried. I've been worried for a while. I don't know what's going on inside for you, but it seems to be holding you down a little. Was it that obvious? Well, you haven't made much of an effort to hide it, have you? Still, at least you know who to talk about it to. What a lovely breeze. Thank God for that. Could have done with it all day. Oh, indeed. Well, with a breeze like that, autumn isn't far away. Good night, Joseph.